Hi guys, welcome to CAD C8 tutorial. Today learn lecture first Gd&T. Today Gd&T lecture first is explain all these points deeply and clearly. Today only introduction and some point name is learn here, and next lecture is one by one some point discuss here. First lecture is only introduction, or introduction is Gd&T. Okay. This all point is Gd&T, and some name, this is a all body, all face tables you can see here, and this name also geometric tolerance, and this name is also, and you can see here, and this is the origin point, and all point is a discuss here. And at first SolidWorks software open, and one by one name is discuss here. Okay, this is a SolidWorks software. This is a whole table created, and this all point is discussed here. First all point is surface finish, weld symbol, hole callout, geometric tolerance, datum feature and datum target, center mark, center line, and area H, fill, and table. All this point is, you can see here, is very important, and geometric and tolerance is also very important. And geometric and tolerance is some point discuss here, and some point as we want to learn, and some point is discussed here. This all point you can see here, this is all Gd&T symbols. First is straightness, second is flatness, third is circularity, fourth is cylindericity, fifth is profile of line, and sixth is profile of surface, seventh is parallel, eighth is perpendicular, ninth is angularity, 10th is circular runout, and 11th is total runout, and 12 is position, and 13 is concentricity, and last 14 is symmetry. All Gd&T 14th point is very important in this lecture. And in this Gd&T is a 14th point. 14th point is very important role in Gd&T. And this is a tolerance first, tolerance second, primary, secondary, and territory, and all is discussed here. And next lecture is one by one discuss here. First is and one. This point select here, and click a line. This line, and this point is show here. And all point is this point is diameter, and this point is a spherical diameter, and this point, this symbol is a maximum, this symbol is a maximum material condition, this symbol is least material condition, and this symbol is regardless of feature size, and this symbol is tangent plane, and this symbol is free state, and this symbol is a statistical, and this symbol is translation. And other line, click here, this symbol is square, and this symbol is unequally disposed profile, and all is point you can see here. Okay, delete here, and all point one by one discuss. And datum, this is a datum point, datum line. Okay, and today, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today Gd&T lecture 2nd is discussed here. I'll explain all these points deeply and clearly. Today lecture 2nd is discussed here, and 2nd is dimensional units. Dimensional units is very important role in Gd&T. Okay, and at first, okay, this all point you can see here. Today discuss one by one all points. And dimension is always millimeter, and this is isometric view, and this is front view, and this is top view. All dimension you can see here. And at first, SolidWorks open software and all Gd&T discuss here. Okay, and this point is geometric tolerance. Okay, SolidWorks software open, and open is a, this point you can see here, this point is a drawing sheet. Okay, this point is a drawing sheet, and all Gd&T point you can see here: surface finish, weld symbol, hole call out, geometric tolerance, datum features, and datum target, and center mark, center line, and area hedge. And this is a general table. This table is very important in this Gd&T. And this general table, hole table, bill of material, revision table, weld table, bend table, punch table, one by one all point discuss here. But today is only one point. One point is a geometric tolerance. Geometric tolerance is all point you can see here. Okay, this is a all point, and select any line. Okay, this line, and this line. I select this line. Okay, all symbol you can see here. Symbol is a straightness, this flatness, this is a circularity, this is a cylindericity, this is a profile of line, this is a profile of surface, this is a parallel. All symbol is 14th symbol you can see here. This symbol is perpendicular. Okay, all point you can see here. This is a perpendicular, this is a angularity, this symbol is circular runout, this symbol is total runout, this symbol is position, this symbol is concentricity, and this symbol is symmetry. Okay, and today symbol. Okay, this is a position symbol, and tolerance is 0.0 0 1 and symbol is maximum material condition, and okay, and primary A, okay, okay, and this is a symmetric tolerance, okay. This this is a font change. This is a font change. Font is a 6 point and bold, okay, okay, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use coordinate tolerance command in Gd&T. So let's see what are the coordinate tolerance and how to easily use in Gd&T. We want to create new sketch. We want to create new sketch interface. At first open SolidWorks software. Today Gd&T lecture 3 is discussed here. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Now we will see a new sketch. Create a sketch. At first select up. At first coordinate system, coordinate tolerance and Gd&T geometrical dimensioning and tolerance. You can see here all command pop up. Then okay, this is a dimensioning and tolerancing. This is a primary and secondary. This point is a primary and secondary tolerance, and this concentricity, this symbol is concentricity, and this is a maximum material condition, and this point is a dimensioning tolerance. This point is a coordinate tolerance, okay. At first okay, this is a SolidWorks interface, and at first geometrical, okay, this concentricity, and this is a 0.02, okay, this maximum material condition, and primary A, secondary B, okay, this point is a not so, okay, again, okay, this point so the at first click align, okay, and this symbol is a concentricity, and this point 0.02 maximum material condition, and tolerancing A, primary A, secondary B, okay, and this is a font change, okay, this font is 6 bold, okay, and this is a dimensioning change. This is a bilateral, and first is and second is also say here, then click here, okay. At first what is the tolerance value? Tolerance value is a maximum tolerance minus minimum tolerance. At first 9.9 plus 0.01 equal to 9.01, or 9 minus 0.01 equal to 8.99. This is a value, maximum value 9.01 minus minimum value 8.99 equal to 0.02. This is the 0.02 is a tolerance value. Okay, there are various new sketch. You can see here how this works. We will see here. And okay, next lecture 4 is coming soon. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.